Welcome back to our channel, everyone. We're going to explore the fascinating world of earning money online today. These 5 tactics will assist you in achieving your financial objectives, regardless of whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just trying to supplement your income. Let's get going. Starting with freelancing, there are many options to display your skills and knowledge on websites like Upwork and Fiverr. There is a need for your skills, whether you are a writer, designer, programmer, or virtual assistant. To draw clients and make money online, develop a compelling profile, place bids on pertinent tasks, and assemble a solid portfolio. Do you wish to share a passion or skill with others? A great approach to make money out of your knowledge is to create and sell online courses. Through websites like Udemy and Teachable, you can connect with people all over the world and generate passive revenue. Success will come if you organize your content well, make it interesting, and give your pupils something useful to learn. All that affiliate marketing is about is suggesting goods or services to your audience and getting paid for effective recommendations. Participate in affiliate programs run by businesses you trust and that fit your specialty. As your audience makes purchases using your affiliate links, share sincere and useful reviews to see your income soar. Anyone who loves YouTube? Creating your own YouTube channel may be rewarding and lucrative. Find your area of expertise or passion, produce interesting videos, and expand your subscriber base. Ad income, sponsored content, and product sales are all ways to make money if you work hard and consistently. If you have an artistic side, print on demand is a great option. Design custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases, and upload them to platforms like Printful or Redbubble. Whenever someone buys an item with your design, you'll earn a profit without dealing with inventory or shipping. Remember that success requires time and work no matter what you pick, whether it's freelancing, selling online courses, affiliate marketing, using YouTube, or print on demand. Discover your area of passion and remain committed to accomplishing your online revenue targets. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more advice and information on generating money online. Have any of these been tested by you? Or do you have any other online income preferences? Post your ideas in the comments section below. Happy money making until the next time, and thanks for watching. Keep looking into the numerous alternatives the internet has to offer.